Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ilasul Amal, student number 59. I will presentation about smartphone breast respiratory signal monitoring and apnea detection using Bluetooth communication. In this presentation, I will explain about first abstract, second introduction, third material and method, for the diagram block, 5 the flow chart, 6 analog circuit, 7 result, 8 discussion, and the last conclusion. Abstract. The study aims to create an apnea monitor device that takes breathing signal to detect sleep apnea symptoms in patients by remotely monitoring abdominal breathing while they sleep. Using a piezoelectric sensor on the stomach, the device processes respiratory signal with an ESP32 microcontroller, transmitting data via Bluetooth to an Android device. When a breathing pause exceeds 10 seconds, an indicator alert, allowing for immediate intervention. Test on 5 patients. The device show a minimal 2.9% error rate compared to standard monitor and effectively transmit data within 5 until 10 meters. The study concludes that this technology can remotely monitor breathing, detect apnea, and potentially aid in managing sleep apnea case. Introduction. Apnea monitor crucial in identifying sleep-related issues like sleep apnea, rely on piezoelectric sensor for monitoring breathing interruption during sleep. This compact and user-friendly sensor enable wireless data transmission integrate into various device studies and to utilizing this sensor track chest and abdominal movement, offering insight to the diverse breathing patterns. Despite some limitation in displaying breath per minute, piezoelectric sensor in apnea monitor show significant potential in enhancing the detection and treatment of sleep apnea and other respiratory conditions. Material and method. Experimental setup. The piezoelectric sensor that has been installed on the Velcro belt is then fit to the patient abdomen. Then the piezoelectric sensor output is connected to the analog filter circuit input. Connecting the ESP32 microcontroller and Android via Bluetooth network media to display the respiration signal and value on Android. This paper is comparison of piezoelectric sensor, analog filter, low pass filter, non-inverting amplifier, ESP32 microcontroller, and Android phone. The first experiment in the study after the design was complete, the respiratory signal response of this device was tested using a patient monitor to adjust the signal on the device. For the respiratory value, it will be compared with the RR value of the patient monitor tool. This is the block diagram. Piezoelectric sensor placed on the abdomen detect pressure change during breathing, altering the sensor voltage output. The signal conditioned processed by a microcontroller to generate breathing data every minute and trigger an LED indicator for each breath. The data, along with one warning for apnea longer than 10 seconds, are transmitted to an Android device via Bluetooth. The flowchart. This flowchart begin with a wireless connection using the help of a Bluetooth network. The data received by Bluetooth on Android is then processed in the Android application, which will display the respiration rate per minute. If breathing stop or apnea is detected, there will be a notification on Android that serves as a warning to the user to take immediate action. Analog circuit. The most important part in this design is the analog signal conditional circuit, which consists of low-pass filter circuit with a cut-off frequency of first Hz and non-inverting amplifier circuit with an amplifier of 11 times. Therefore, an ESP32 microcontroller is needed to process the output of the analog circuit in the digital. This circuit is used to check the output signal directly from the piezoelectric. In this low-pass filter circuit, a cut-off frequency of 1 Hz in use in order to avoid noise signal because out that is with a pressure signal from the piezo sensor. The non-inverting amplifier circuit amplifies the signal from piezoelectric sensor by a factor of 11, result in loud signal during inspiration and expiration, maintaining phase alignment with the input signal. In ESP32, there is a CPU core and faster Wi-Fi, more GPIO, and support Bluetooth Low Energy at minimum. The system function to process data generated from a piezoelectric sensor circuit, and then at a minimum, this system will control the Bluetooth module to transmit data that has been sent, processed to Android in Figure 5 and Figure 6. Result. In this study, the system was tested and compare using patient monitor. The recording results show that the recording is suitable for recording ECG signal from the human body in Figure 7 and Figure 8. In this study, the author made an apnea monitor device using abdominal respiration signal and processed it into a signal display on the Roburium application by sending data via a Bluetooth network with an ESP32 microcontroller as a Bluetooth module. With respiration indicator feature, LED indicator, and buzzer as a remind when they occur. Apnea in patient, when the device is first turned on or reset, the module will automatically look for a reference from the incoming signal via pin analog 34. This reference serves to limit the value of the respiratory signal. The Bluetooth distance test is carried out in two ways, namely using a Bluetooth network in a different room with a distance of 5 meters and using a Bluetooth network in the same room with a maximum distance of 10 meters in table 1 and table 2. Discussion. The system uses a piezoelectric sensor to detect breathing, primarily abdominal breathing, by converting pressure change into voltage. To improve signal quality, it employs a pull-down resistor and a low-pass filter to reduce noise. And 11 gain non-inverting amplifier enhances the signal for better recognition of inhalation and exhalation phase. The output connect to an ESP32 microcontroller, which when active use Bluetooth to send respiratory data to an Android device through the Roburium app. This app display real-time data and provide all for apnea event. And LED and buzzer indicate apnea and remain active until breathing is detected. Conclusion. In summary, the study highlights the effectiveness of piezoelectric sensor, especially when used with an amplifier circuit to Hence, their small output allow pass filter significantly improve signal quality by removing noise. And the ESP32 microcontroller effectively process respiratory data and calculate breath per minute. The Reforemo Android apps display real-time respiratory information, issues alarm for apnea, and error time indicate 1.1% average error rate for apnea detection. Data transmission via the ESP32 integrated Bluetooth module is reliable within 5 meter indoor and 10 meter outdoor range. Comparison result from 5 respondent to patient monitor tools, the module exhibit maximum error 2.9%, indicating its potential for practical use in respiratory monitoring and apnea detection. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.